Hey guys, welcome back to the show. If you don't already know, I am in a different atmosphere. I'm over at Chef Nathan Lippy's house. Today, breakfast burger. A little bit ordinary burger than what you might think, yes, but it's gonna be some good groceries. Hey, let's get started. That's some good groceries. Guys, first things first, we're gonna make this like an Oklahoma onion burger, okay?
For breakfast?
For breakfast. I'm breaking a few rules here, Chef.
Oh no.
First things first, gotta get you a mandolin. Hey y'all, tip from Hussey. Be careful with these things. I learned a really good trick from my buddy behind the camera. He said, use a napkin. I said, you got a guard for this thing? He said, a guard? Florida people don't use guards. We just go to the hospital later. We just go to the hospital later. All right, let's get going on this. You ready? The idea here, y'all, super thin. You want super thin. And that gets nice and caramelized on the griddle.
I'm gonna help you out. Hang on.
Am I not even hitting the darn thing?
Hey, we're friends.
Lord have mercy. Teamwork is dream work. Listen, we're gonna make just a couple burgers. Hey, if you're making a ton of these, which I suggest you do, you know, you might want to do a couple onions, but one's going to serve the purpose right now. We're just going to set those to the side. We have some breakfast sausage. Use your favorite breakfast sausage. Just like a smash burger, you know, we're looking for small balls, okay? Maybe about a 2-inch ball. Nate, you know what's up, right?
Yeah.
What do I got? What is this?
1.5 ounces.
Maybe 2. I don't know.
Is that the calibrated elbow?
You know, there is a little bit of a tolerance here, okay? Plus or minus 2 pounds, okay?
Okay.
Plus a little plus or minus, okay? I'm gonna take you over to the griddle.
Let's do it.
And I wanna get these on first because I got gloves on, Nate. I'm gonna shed them as soon as I put them down. Griddle, okay. High temperature here, y'all.
Got it.
You see it? Can you see
Smoky.
that? Smoky. All right. We're gonna utilize that middle section, okay? Y'all don't talk trash about how I put gloves on. See that little thing right there? Don't want the comments all crazy.
We're doing onions now?
I'm gonna do onion.
All right, I'll follow you.
Onion. We're gonna come over here. And just like with an onion burger, we're gonna really put them on there. I mean, I want it to where you might not get much sugar from the old lady later on, you know what I'm saying? Sausage has seasoning in it already, right?
Yeah.
But the onions need a little bit too, because what does salt do?
Move.
Salt draws moisture out just a little bit.
Crispier onions.
A little crispy.
I like it.
And that's what we want. Okay? Now comes the fun part, the smasher. I'm going to use a little parchment paper. Whenever you smash sausage, y'all, it does, and I'm not going to go too much like a really thin smash burger with the little lacy edges. I just want to go slightly. About like that right there. One thing I've been digging a lot is a marbled egg. Come over here, let me show you. I'll take a little bit of butter. I like butter with my eggs. What do y'all like? Are you a butter? Are you a oil?
Butter. Oh, bacon fat, man.
Bacon fat's good also.
You got some sausage fat there.
Touche. Yep. So, we'll take our eggs. Got 2 lovely eggs. Because we're making 2 burgers. And
so where's the marble coming?
I'm going to show you. You're getting a little ahead of me, Chef.
I'm excited. I know it's like a special
You know,
North Carolina
I'm kind of
thing.
scared. One thing, it's not actually a North Carolina thing. It's I learned it from some other guys. What I like to do, this little membrane kind of around here.
Yeah.
I like to try to tap that.
Is that marbled?
This is not marbled yet.
Oh,
it's not marbled yet. This is just to help cook things along. One thing we do need to do, you need to season your eggs.
Of course.
That's what you need to do. If you don't season your eggs, you're not
good looking eggs. I like them. There's a little controversy around those edges. I'm a huge fan of that.
I like it. That's exactly what I'm looking for, especially with this.
No.
We're going to let this go. We're going to make a little sauce for it because it's going to take a little bit of time. Mayonnaise of your choice. A little bit of old
Texas Pete?
Old Cackalack Elixir.
Oh.
Texas Pete.
Texas Pete is the Cackalack Elixir?
Cackalack Elixir.
I'll get it.
You get behind that, right?
Yeah.
All right.
That makes sense.
Just a little bit of tang. It just brings something through. And that's it right there. we're also going to go over to the griddle, and we're going to toast these
I know
buns.
this is your show.
Where'd my butter go?
I don't know.
Here it is.
Aioli has to have garlic.
Does it?
That's the rule.
Well, guess what?
It's not an aioli.
We breaking the rules, bro. Anytime you add anything to mayonnaise,
Yeah.
I don't care if it's a dang rock. It's an aioli.
That's
all
the
right?
rule?
That's correct.
Stay low.
We're going to flip our sausage patties. You ready?
I'm ready.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh
Look
yeah.
at that. I want, this is somebody else's. That's going to be Todd's later on. Can't take credit for that one. Nice crust. Our eggs.
Okay.
I want to flip these. Just one, just to get a little coocation.
Oh,
I love this
that's how I like
crustacean.
it.
I love it. Especially it works for this burger. I'm only leaving it here. I mean, we're talking just to get a little color on this other side, because what we're going to do is we're going to bust that yolk.
That's the marble?
That's the marble.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready.
And what that does is we're going to flip it over one more time,
Okay.
and it's going to look like a marble.
Oh. So if someone likes a beautiful
Watch this.
runny yolk.
If you want runny, do runny. It would work great with this, but I don't think runny works for this.
All right.
And look at that. You see how that's kind of, that yolk is just kind of marbled in?
Marbled.
Well, there you
I
have
like
it. Yes, sir. There's our, I'll tell you what, Nate. Let's just build these right onto the darn griddle.
Okay.
What do you think?
I like it.
I mean, this is your house. This is your rules. We're just playing by them, you know what I'm saying? What are we going to do now? We're going to make these dudes.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Are you really doubling up?
Doubling up, bro.
I thought you were gonna do cheese.
Daggone it. You know what?
What?
Even I make mistakes every once in a while. That's the first one in the past 2 minutes. 1, 2. Got a little head on myself. And that's okay.
That marbled egg.
And then now, each one has a piece of cheese. Now, let's double up these sausage patties. Just like that.
There we go.
With the egg. If you want to put the egg in the middle, you can do that as well.
You weren't kidding. That's a sandwich.
Listen, bro, we don't play. We don't play. Even when we're in Florida, we don't play. Because we got to represent. Okay? Look at this. Put that little topper on. Dang it, boys.
Wow.
And girls. That, my friends, is a breakfast burger. Got number 2 coming in. Coming in hot, chef. That's a burger I can get with for breakfast. Todd! Breakfast is ready. Chop, chop!
I'm on my way.
Let's go now. Come on. We got to...
He's building a 28-inch over there.
You're inviting me over for breakfast?
Yeah. This is what we made. We made a breakfast burger. If you want to start out the day right, bro, you need to start out with one of these
Hey,
bad boys.
can I make a suggestion?
Come on with
This
it.
is content week.
Content week.
We have one of our newest UK content creators.
Yeah.
Clark, you get in here, buddy.
Should we bring him in here?
Yeah.
He's from my homeland.
He's the one
This
that
is where
said
the Hussies are, the UK, y'all.
He said the mayo thing.
Look at this guy.
So,
Man.
I'm not going to hold it against you, Clarky, unless you like it like that, okay? He don't like mayo. And, what else?
I don't eat eggs.
Hussey
How
was
is
on,
that possible?
Hussey was on my show earlier, and I believe, I'm paraphrasing, Clarky said that's the most obscene amount of mayo I've seen in my life.
He did say obscene. I didn't say that earlier.
Yeah.
But yes, he did say obscene.
Yeah.
I said you.
But
never
we still love him. We
no
still
mayo,
love him.
no eggs. You
Yeah.
wanna give it a try?
You've not.
Yeah, well,
Let's do it.
Of course, I'll give it a try.
Let's get a cross section.
I
of
did
this.
say
It's
a
getting
couple
really
of weeks
close
ago
right
that
here.
I was going to get on board with eggs this year. So
Now
this
it's not,
is,
you know,
good timing.
a drippy egg.
Yeah, he did the marbled egg.
We did a marbled egg.
Marbled egg.
Okay, Clarky, be my guest, buddy. This is your first egg encounter of your trip to the U.S.
Are we going in?
Go for it.
We're
Go
going?
ahead, go on in there. Be there with Clarky. Be one with the breakfast.
That's America
burger.
on a bun right there.
America.
America.
Yeah, that's good.
Cheers, y'all. I tell you, the onion, just like with an onion burger, it's gotten caramelized, but the spices that's inside of that sausage, the breakfast sausage has got all those spices, got some sage, it's got peppers and all that kind of good
Eggs
stuff.
perfect on there.
That's that marbled egg. Marbled egg, the Lippies are going to be doing marbled eggs tomorrow, I guarantee
Probably.
it.
I'm taking it back to the Clarks as well.
Yeah. Clarky, you're going to put that sucker in your pocket. You're going to head back across the pond, bro. Hey, it's going to be some good groceries in the UK very soon, too. Hey, appreciate each and every one of you watching. We sincerely do appreciate Griddle Nation. And y'all, that's it.
That's it.
Yep. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network. We see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.
Thanks for watching.